Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, today we will learn a new method in Vedic mathematics. Okay, so that is in our previous classes we have learned how to use shortcut methods for addition of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers, right? So today we'll discuss Vedic mathematics process, how to do that for multiplication. So children, for multiplication we have to use one sutra that is known as Nikhilam Navatasa Karamam Dasataha. Okay, no need to remember these all sutras, only you just know that this sutra is used. What is the meaning? Nikhilam Navatasa, that means all from 9, Karamam Dasataha, that means and the last from 10. What is the meaning? I will tell you. So, as I said you that this particular method is used to multiply two numbers. So, first we will apply this particular method to multiply one digit number. Okay. Normally how you are multiplying one digit numbers? You have to remember the tables, right? To get the answer you have to remember the tables. But one simple method is there. But that meaning is not that you will not learn the tables. Okay. You have to learn the tables. But this method is also can be used to find the answer. So here one example is there. First we will go through the example, then I'll show you how to do it. So here you can see multiply 9 by 8. That means you have to find out the product of 9 and 8. So according to this particular sutra or formula, what you have to do is, you have to find the difference of two numbers from 10. So what is the sutra? All from 9 and the last from 10. Only one digit we have. So we have to subtract from 10. That means what? First we have to do 10 minus 9. Whatever the first number you have. Then you have to find the difference between 10 minus the second number. So 10 minus 9, that is equals to 1 you have to write. 10 minus 2, that is 2 you have to write. Got the first step? So what we have to do? First, we have to find the difference of the two numbers from 10. That means 10 minus 9, 10 minus 8. Okay, got the answers? Now, what you have to write is, you have to write the numbers like this. So, 9, 8. Okay, normally how, when you are multiplying, how you are writing? Yes, 9, 8 into you are putting, right? So, no need to put the cross here. Just you have to write 9 and below that you have to write 8. Then whatever the differences you got, that is minus 1, you have to use minus 1 small. So you have to use the minus here, minus 1, minus 2, you just write. Okay, whatever the difference. So 10 minus 9, you got 1, you have to write minus 1. So 10 minus 8, you got 2, you have to write minus 2. Beside 8, you have to write minus 2. Then what you have to do is, in 2 steps you can find out. After writing like this, what you have to do is, you have to do 9 minus 2. See the cross. Okay. So you have to put a cross like this. So what you have to do? You have to do a 9 minus 2. You have to find out. Okay. So this is minus. You have to subtract this number from this number. Okay. 9 minus 2. What is the answer? Yes, that is 7. You have to write 7. Next what? You have to multiply these two numbers. Okay. You have to subtract 9 from 2. And the next step is what? You have to multiply 1 with 2. So 1 into 2, 2. So simply you have to write 2 here. Understood? The first step is 9 minus 2. That is 7 you have to write. 1 into 2. That is 2. That you have to write. Now can you tell me what is the answer? 9 into 8? 9 8 is 72. Got the answer? 7 into? Yes. Now moving to another example. So here you can see multiply 7 by 6. Okay. So this is example with carry. Okay. So see here. First what is the step? 10 minus 7. That is 3. 10 minus 6. That is 4. That you have to write. Then you have to write the same thing like this. 7 below that 6. Then whatever the subtraction difference, whatever the difference you got, that you have to write here. Minus 3. Here below that minus 4. Okay. Next what is the step? 7 minus 4. This is minus. You have to subtract 7 minus 4. Crosswise. Okay. 7 minus 4. What is the answer? 3. Now, 3 into 4. So, like this in the cross manner, that is in the diagonal method, you have to what? 7 minus 4. You have to subtract this 2. You have to multiply this 2. That's it. Got? So, 3 into 4. What is the answer? 12. Now here 1 to 12. You got 2-digit number. So, because you got 2-digit number, you have to, what you have to do? You have to write 3 plus 1. Whatever the answer you got here. 3, right? 3 plus 1, then 2. That is, the answer is 42. So, see here. 7 minus 4, that is 3. 3 into 4, that is 12. So, 1, you got one extra digit here. That is in the tens place, right? So, whatever you got in the tens place, you have to add this carry to whatever the answer you got here. So, 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4, whatever the number you got here, 2, that is 42. Understood? Now, let's do one example from your exercise. So, here I am doing the first one, B bit. So, this is exercise 4.8. So, using Vedic mathematics, find the products. Okay, using Vedic mathematics, find the product. So, you have to use the formula Nikhilam Navatasa Karamam Dastaha. So, let's do. So, here you can see this is the question 9 into 7. So, I am doing the B bit. Okay, so first one B bit 9 into 7. So, the first step is you have to find the difference of both the numbers from 10. So, 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. 10 minus 7, the answer is 3. Right? So, 1 and 3. Are you following? Hope you are able to understand. Now, 1 and 3. Now, what you have to write? 9, below that 7. Then, beside 9, you have to write 1. Whatever the difference you got, minus 1. So, here also minus 3. Okay? So, first find the difference from 10. That is 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 7, 3. Now, beside this number, you have to write minus 1, minus 3. Now, next step in simply what? 2 steps. No need to write step 1, step 2. No need to write anything. After writing this, you can follow this method. That is 9 minus 3 minus 9 minus 3. This number and the diagonal number, that is 9 minus 3. What is the answer? Yes, that is 6. Right? Now, 1 into 3, whatever difference you got, you have to multiply. So, this is, here you have to subtract, here you have to multiply. 1 into 3, what is the answer? 3, 63. Got? So, 9 into 7, 63. Can you tell me the 9's table? Yes, 9 7s are 63. So, got the answer? Hope you followed. Let's do another example. So, I am doing 4B. You have to solve all other bits. Okay, so fourth one, B bit. What is the question? 9 into 5. So, let's do that one. So, here you can see 9 into 5. The first step is 10 minus 9. That is 1. 10 minus 5. Okay. So, 10 minus 5, the answer is 5. Okay, the first step is this. 10 minus 9, 10 minus 5. Whatever the numbers you have here, you have to subtract that both from 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 5, 5. Now you have to write in this manner. That is 9, 5. You have to write 9, 5. Then minus 1 here, minus 5 here. Then the step is what? You have to subtract 9 minus 5. What is the answer? 9 minus 5. See which numbers I am taking. This number and this number. 9 minus 5. The answer is 4. Next is what? 1 into 5. That is, you have to multiply these two numbers. These two numbers you have to subtract. Okay? You have to subtract. These two numbers you have to subtract. These two numbers you have to multiply. So, 9 minus 5, the answer is 4. 1 into 5, the answer is 5. So, the answer is 45. Now, tell me, 9 5s are 45, right? So, we got the answer. So, hope you understood this method. So, complete exercise 4.8. First, second, third, fourth, all the bits, okay? All the methods are same. If you are having carry, you have to follow this method. You have to add. If you are facing any problem solving this, you can message me.